Oh, hi everybody. Mike Young here. Hey, you've ever wondered what the Shopsmith multi-purpose woodworking tool is all about? I got a great way you can find out. This Saturday, 8 a.m. Pacific, 9 a.m. Mountain, 10 Central, 11 Eastern Time, you can see a real-time live demonstration via Zoom. I'm going to leave the Zoom ID for you in just a minute, but this is probably the best way in the world to see the wonderful functions and capacities and really the best way to do your woodworking ever invented. There's no better way to see a Shopsmith than to see it in real action. I'll run you through every function of the system. We'll talk about how it will work in your own shop and in any shop space. Then we'll talk about how you can actually try one. So again, don't miss the real-time live demonstration this Saturday. We're going to be joined by another 35, 40 of you, all anxious to see what this machine can do. You will not be disappointed. So again, friends, if you've always wanted to see this multi-purpose woodworking system in action, this is your chance. People love the demonstrations because it shows you the capabilities and the functions and the ease of use of the entire system. Again, you're not going to be disappointed. I'm going to leave the Zoom ID both on the screen you're seeing now and in the comments below. Hope to see you all there. The smell of wood. It's good.